In this quick tutorial, you'll see how to hide and show one event or multiple events. Tap to select an event in the events list or on the timeline. Tap the Hide, Show button and choose Hide. Your event will be hidden on the timeline and grayed out in the events list. You can also hide multiple events. Tap Select. Select events from the events list or the timeline. You can even select all the events in a scene or all the events with a specific tag. Tap the Hide Show button and choose Hide. To show hidden events, select the hidden events in the events list. Tap the Hide Show button. Choose Show. When your timeline has hidden events, a notification at the bottom of the timeline indicates the number of events that are hidden. Tap Show All to show all the hidden events at once.